Bangladesh is in a happening country now in terms of pharma manufacturing. So yes, they deserve to have the best technology because pharma is not like a simple cooking a food. So pharma should have a technology-based products, right? Because see, I'll give you one example. See, when we manufacture a tablet, so 100% viability should be there. Otherwise, when I'm taking the medicine, instead of 5 days, I have to take 10 days. So technology is very important in pharma because you have to challenge, you are going to challenge the body, that body created by that Almighty. So technology wise, pharma is very important, and yes, I am seeing that development here.
All right. Okay. Thank you. Since how many years you are exhibiting here in this exhibition at Dhaka?
Yeah, I am for the first time I am coming here and really very happy.
Thank you. All right. So, how do you find the understanding and acceptance of the products and your services here?
Services are good.
What about your products, like the acceptance of your products and services for
yes,
now?
yes, definitely being an entrepreneur, being a businessman, I expect a lot from the country and I see a lot of potential as well. Really, I see a lot of potential in the country. Being into Asia, overall, if you see the whole world, Asia is the only one which is growing. Europe
Yeah.
is degradation, USA is degradation, only Asia is developing. And yes, I am very aggressive, very hopeful
All right.
to be a part of Bangladesh.
All right. Thank you. So, how do you rate the pharma manufacturing industry of Bangladesh in terms of developments and expansions of your business?
Yes, if you see last 5 years, 7 years, Bangladesh has actually grown in terms of pharma manufacturing. Reason being, patented products can be formulated here, which can be supplied to the third world who actually need it. So Bangladesh and Egypt are the two countries who are actually grown a lot in terms of pharma manufacturing. And just because of the WTO agreements and all, but still I feel for common people, medicine should reach quality, safe, efficacious medicine should reach in cheap price. Because medicine is not just for business. Medicine is healthcare, and we call people call us as a white collar job, white collar profession, just because we have to serve ailing patients. So I feel Bangladesh is going to grow a lot.
All right, thank you so much. We are looking forward to your success of your entrepreneur this business, and I hope you are going to experience 3 days of full of experimental stuff here. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you.
Thank you.